Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about how I made $1,000 in 48 hours. Now the reason I want to tell you that is because I want you to know this is very possible for you to do if you follow a very simple method of making money online and promoting really high quality products. So I'm going to take you through the whole process that I used step by step. So this is a 5-part series. Today is the first part, obviously. This is going to be my promotion overview, where I'll take you through a little bit about the product. I'll give you some financial proof just so you don't think I'm bullying. And then I'll take you through the actual promotional funnel that I use step by step so you can see exactly what I'm going to talk about in the next videos. Now, part 2, it'll be about writing the emails that I sent out to people. Part 3 will be about building the email automation. So I'll show you exactly how I set up my emails to go out to people on the right times. And it's going to be very tactical, that one. I'll show you exactly how I set them up, but really it's the thinking behind what I'm doing. This is going to be more powerful. And then part 4 is going to be about making the hype videos and pages. Now, this is the main way that I communicate when I'm promoting things. I like to do videos where I'm actually explaining things rather than write really long emails. So we'll get into that when we get to part 4. And then part 5 is really about a promotion review. Now, I'm going to tell you some things that kind of went wrong for me, even though I did manage to make $1,000 on this one, and some things that went really right for me, and some reluctance I had at the beginning of the whole thing before I actually went ahead and sent my first email, right? So it's a very honest one, that, and hopefully you can get some benefit just so you can see how other people who are doing affiliate marketing feel before they go ahead and start promoting things. So in part 1, I actually want to talk to you about the promotion overview. Now, the first thing I'll do is talk a little bit about the product that I promoted. Now, this is called the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. And essentially what the Advanced Traffic Blueprint is a way that you can actually do launch jacking in a more ethical way. Now, Philip, who is my mentor online, Philip Borrowman, actually runs a month-long course, which is very detailed, step by step, all around mindset, all around implementation, around how you can actually set up a business by the end of that month. Now, again, this is a tactic that I actually use every single day. This is the way that I make money online. And I make money online by giving very honest reviews of products, and also doing videos like this, which are actually giving people some value and hopefully teaching people things. So I know that this works, which is why I promote it. I won't promote anything that I know doesn't work or is just some software that's a load of rubbish. I only ever promote things that I know actually work and I use myself. So this is the product I'm actually promoting. So at the end of the day, I'm actually sending people first to a webinar where we go through a workshop with them and give you the concepts around launch tracking, how you actually use it to drive traffic in the right way. And then we invite people to a more intensive course where they can go ahead and really build this out and build their business. So that's kind of the product overall. Let me jump into my finances over on Pay Kickstart and kind of show you exactly the money I made on this particular promotion. Okay, so I've jumped over to my finances. Now, you can see here on the top right-hand corner, this is from the 1st of July over to the 26th. This is a couple of days ago. And this is the account that I actually use for this particular set of products. Now, there's a couple of things on here. There's a simple traffic blueprint, which again is a very good course teaching people how to start a business online with YouTube. And then there's the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, which is again an upgrade to that, which teaches you much more extensive concepts and is much more detailed. So you can see here, these are my commissions for the actual month so far, which is $1,300. And these are obviously the two $500 days where I actually promoted A to B in particular, okay? So you can see that's over 48 hours. Now, I'm not telling you this to boast. I'm not interested in any of that. There's people online that earn a lot more money than me, and there's people online that earn a lot less than me. I want to talk to you about this kind of concept because I'm just a normal guy who used to buy lots and lots of shiny objects and really struggled trying to find a way to make money online, okay? And since I really simplified what I did, got a coach like Philip Borrowman, who's a very good coach, and really started doing one method, then I started actually making money. And this took me quite a few months to actually get going, but now I'm really seeing the benefit. Now, I will link to a video where I show you how I made my first $1,000 online, and you'll see a card here. And that'll kind of show you my journey as well, and a little bit more about the YouTube channel and things like that. So it's well worth watching that one as well. But I just want to show you this just for a bit of transparency, right? I've got no reason to BS anybody, and I'm not making millions online. This is a really honest thing. I've got a few more affiliate sites that also generate money from my YouTube channel, but this is really the main one that I actually make money off, okay? So I know these products are good quality, and that's really the thing that I look for whenever I'm going to promote anything online. So I want to show you really how I actually did this, and this is the overview of the funnel, and this is going to lead into those next videos I talked about. Okay, so I'm over on the promotion funnel. Now, if you've not seen what a funnel is before, really it's just the parts of the process that you go through when you end up signing up for any kind of particular offer. And everything's got a funnel these days. You've heard it if you've ever been online, and anything about affiliate marketing, everyone's got funnels. So this is kind of the way that the funnel works on this particular promotion, the way that we set it up. So you've got a number of things here. You've got the emails that you send out, you've got the pages that those emails link to, you've got obviously the registration, the webinar page, and then you've got the purchase page, and you've got a follow-up email here. So the email piece here is really what I'll be talking about in part 2 and part 3 of this series. Now part 2 will be about writing the emails and how you actually go ahead and write them. Now part 3 will be more about the automation. So you see here there's a number of resends actually marked here, and that's really all automated. And you set up the automation before the campaign and then it works, okay? So that will be explained in those 2 videos, how that all works. And then in part 4, I'm actually going to show you about the hype pages and the videos that I put into them. Now these are the really important pieces because it gives me an opportunity to really talk to people face to face about this product and really explain how I believe in this product because I've used it myself, okay? So that's really crucial for me, is to make sure that I'm communicating with people on video rather than just through an email, because email can be a little bit stale sometimes. So I'll show you in part 4 how to actually set up these hype videos. So the way the hype videos work is there's a number of things that we actually talk about. The first one is more about the introduction and kind of introducing the product overall and giving you some benefits. And then I'll start to talk about the bonuses that we give for actually turning up at the webinar itself. There is some really cool bonuses that we give anyway that are of good value to people, right? So I talk a little bit about those bonuses. And then the last thing I'd send out is a review video after the actual webinar, which goes over the product in a little bit more detail. So I'm actually going to show you the hype pages and how I actually go about making those videos, okay? What we do here is basically we send emails, they got links in them over to the hype pages, that's got a registration link that goes over to the registration page, then they go to the webinar, and then if they are interested in the product, they go ahead and purchase. Each one of these components I'm actually going to explain to you exactly how this works and how people flow through this funnel, okay? And I'll come back to this at the start of every video so that we understand exactly where we are. So guys, I hope this is going to give you some value. The reason I'm doing this is not to explain to you how I earn $1,000. It's really to explain to you how an affiliate promotion can work so you can do something like this yourself. If you haven't gone ahead and subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'll be able to tell you exactly when I release the next video in this playlist. And if you haven't grabbed our free affiliate marketing resource yet, please go ahead and hit this link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. You're going to find some really good information there, totally for free, that you can go ahead and start looking at straight away. So guys, until part 2, take care.